Hello YouTube vintage radio collectors and restorers. Here's the Deforest-Crosley Ballad 500 chassis. New caps and got the tubes back into it and speaker hooked up. New power cord, so I'm going to turn on and see what I get. Hopefully not a smoke show. I've been very careful in going through this one. Now, it's actually this one, isn't it? Oh, I heard something. The bulb was loose, didn't check that. Rectifier's coming on. I can see all the filaments lighting up. No crazy hum, which is good. Oh, I hear something. What I need is a wood knob on there to insulate me.
Concern, and it's been ongoing for a while.
Oh,
one of the other things I wanted to talk to you about this morning.
Now that's what I like.
Is from where I'm sitting, a rather alarming number of pedestrian collisions in the region. A couple just in.
I think it just needs more of an antenna. Yeah.
What if we told you there's a place that's leading the charge in making electric vehicles and batteries?
I'd say nonsense. Anyway, I think that's pretty cool. I'm just going to put up a better antenna and make sure that nothing's burning up underneath. Thanks for watching and listening.